मैं आज के दिन सभी कमेटी मेंबर को स्वागत करती हूँ। मैं निशा सिंह, संत जॉन सेकेंडरी स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल। मैं विकी मैम को स्कूल कैंपस दिखाने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ। थैंक यू।
On this beautiful day, we are going to visit our St. John Secondary School. This is the entrance gate of our St. John Secondary School. Where one camera is located, which is for the security purposes. Then this entrance gate is consists of two gates. One gate is for the transportation system, which is provided by our school, and the second gate is for the visitors, so that they can properly enter and register themselves in the reception.
Ready.
This is the reception portion. This is the one of the important step that we have to take so that we can fight with the coronavirus. Use of a sanitizer. Now we are going to enter our reception. Here all the visitors come here and relax. Most important thing, they clarify all their doubts, which they are having. This is our reception counter. Whatever doubts is there, either with their parents or the admission seekers, all doubts are cleared by Mr. Sir and ma'am. Security guards for the entrance, for the open and closing of our gate, so that properly transportation system can work. Now we are entering. This is an entrance steps towards our beautiful school. Consists of two sides. One side consists of a garden which provides a continuity and a connectivity of the student, a playground, which is now at the present it's not noisy because this playground is missing something, that is a chirping of students.
Start, ma'am.
This is a beautiful corner of our school where we get the sounds and chirpings of the students. It consists of the swings, curls, and play different types, as you can see, but it's not noisy as we all are missing the noise of students. This is the heart center of our school. This is one of the very most precious, as you can see, it's a precious place for the students because each and every students enjoy playing with the water. This is our beautiful swimming pool. Yes. Then it consists of two things. Then one is the transportation facilities is present here as well as the navigation system. Now we are going to enter that section of our school which is very difficult for students, that is our math lab, mathematics lab. Here, now the further description will be explained by our sir, and he makes all the problems of students very simple and easier. Please sir.
I am Varun Srivastava. Here is the lab of math. The students perform some activity related to math. There are some steps, some articles. This is your activity. Here is geometrical shape. Here, this is your fractional and degree related. It is your geometry box and so on. And there are some models related to math. Here, it is your mensuration chart formulas or it is as identity, circles, number system.
To enter the different. Now we are going to enter the different departments. First of all, this is the biology laboratory of our school. One of us, this is the biology lab, which consists of different equipment.
Yeah, good morning. Yes, sir. This is biology lab, and I'm one of the teachers. And my name is Sudhir. And this biology lab is actually created according to the need of the student, which consists of each and every equipment which needed for the experimental and observation purposes. Like you can see the microscope, simple as well as the compound. You can see the different equipment also, the model also, which is like in the. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me translate once again. Like this is the biology lab in which each and every equipment are according to the need of the students. Okay. Which develop the experimental and yeah, we do have the stock register available. Yes, ma'am. Okay. The stock verification, it was done recently in the month of April. Okay, and according to the stock register, and just let me show you some of the scenario regarding the biology equipment. This is the specimen which is for the students. And this is the model, and each and every information are actually provided here for the students. Even the models are there, and the chart is also available, and most of the things, most of all, like you need to understand the human physiology, so we need to go over with the details, because the need of the student is to go and find out the living information and what is lying inside our body, so that they can go over with the dynamic situation also. So each and everything is available according to the need. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I do have. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It will be done right away.
Now we have entered chemistry lab. Yes. Sir, we explain for the explanation.
First of all, I want to warm welcome on the behalf of Central Chemistry Lab. And we know that there is important of more importance of chemistry lab in chemistry, because with the help of lab, we know all the mystery of chemical reactions, and various observations. For our chemistry lab, there are various instruments such as flask, separation funnel, volumetric flask, and conical funnel. There are various instruments are present in this lab. After that, yes, sir. Yes, sir. There are some various equipment such as test tube, and graduated cylinder, beaker, conical flask, and after that funnel. This is the stand for chemical for keeping this instruments in this. After that, I am going for this is the pipette. This is the pipette, sir. This is the pipette, and this is the beaker for various chemicals. After that, this is the separation funnel. This is the separation funnel. This is the this is the round bottom flask, and this is the glass conical funnel. After that, sir, I am coming towards this area. There are various reagents. There are various reagents such as base, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium permanganate. There are various salts, and this is also various salts. After that, I am coming to various acids and solutions like boric acid, oxalic acid. After that, acetic acid, iodine solution, acetone, iodine solution, normal, carbon disulfide, etc. And there are some various reagents like ferric solution A, ferric solution B, and after that, Benedict reagent. And there are some accessories. There are some accessories for lab experiment. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible. Yes, sir. मैं सुन पा रहा हूँ आपका आवाज. ठीक है सर. ठीक है सर. ओके सर. ओके सर. ठीक है. There are various accessories of lab like there is the cylinder. Sir, this is. Yes, sir. Gas cylinder. Sir, which cylinder? Carbon dioxide. This is the carbon dioxide gas cylinder and a fire extinguisher. हीटिंग के लिए मैम ये आपके पास स्पिरिट लैंप है. मैम गैस के लिए इसके नीचे जो पार्ट है वो रखा गया है गैस के लिए. Ma'am, from safety point of view, this is the place where cylinders are present. For the protection point of view, this is the place where cylinders are present. Inside this. जी लैब के अंदर ही है.
अभी निकाला गया है. बैट निकाला गया है.
ओके. Sir, ma'am, this is the ground floor of school. Yes, ma'am. जी. जी. ओके. 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 मैम ये कनेक्शन है सिलेंडर जो है बाहर रखा गया है. ये कनेक्शन है मैम. ये कनेक्शन है सिलेंडर के लिए और इसको नीचे से है मैम और इसको बाहर रखा गया है. जी. ओके. ओके मैम. जी मैम. क्लास जी मैम बोलिए। फायर ओके मैम। हाँ मैम है मैम। मतलब उसके लिए मैम फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर है हमारे पास, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। ओके सर, ओके मैम।
Hello sir, this is Physics lab. This is Physics lab which is loaded with the instruments which help the students to study. Yes sir? These all are the equipments which help the students to study this questions with the theory they get from the teachers, the explanation they get. This help them, these all students help them overall to increase their overall knowledge about the different things. Since practical will give them more knowledge to the specific topic. Theory is not sufficient in this area. We know science is practical subject. Theory is not only sufficient to have all the knowledge. So we the teachers, okay sir? Okay sir. Here all the lab equipments are listed. Here all the chemistry lab equipments are listed in here. The physics equipments are also listed in poster. And here are the equipments which we use to demonstrate various topics to the students. Here this is battery generator which converts the high AC voltage into low voltage of AC current. Here are some instruments which are used in studying magnetism. Here is tuning. Here are some equipments which are used to demonstrate the reflection as well as reflection. Yes sir, this is the section. Yes sir. This is the section where we explain the way and resistance as well as the object. Here we use to measure the physical quantities. So the size of the lab is bigger as compared to the normal classrooms. Yeah.
Yes, I used to get newspapers daily, on daily basis.
So we have various kind of book there. There is a moral kind of book. Then we have dictionary book there, as you can see.
The first section is of spiritualism. We took here, we have kept various spiritual books like Bhagavad Gita, Mahabharata. Here, this is dictionary section, sir. We have kept different dictionaries.
Here we have encyclopedia books is also available there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ma'am, here she is. Yeah. Yes.
आप उतना लंबा जाती है
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Let me take it over the wall. Yes, ma'am. We will make it available, ma'am. Afterwards. Computer lab, ma'am.
ये